Okay, so far you have your aircraft booked out and you're ready to start planning. So now what we need to do is to upload the main operations chart into CombatFlite. This will make our life easier for planning. And then we can put in data such as weather, waypoints, so on. So to find the main operations chart, we're going to come back to the dashboard. We're going to go in Documents and Charts this time. We're going to go into Charts and Maps. You'll be presented with a lovely page like this. You're going to scroll down until you find the main operations chart. Now the pink ones here, they should normally be marked CombatFlite. The pink ones here are the CombatFlite ones, and you're looking for the one that is most recent. So we're just going to go ahead and download that. Okay, and if you have CombatFlite installed and updated, provided via the link in the description to this lesson, you should then just be able to open that straight up. Okay, nice and simple. Now we've got it in front of us. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go ahead and edit the weather. So to find the weather, you're going to go back into the BAT system. We're going to go back to the dashboard again. We're going to go into Establishment this time. And then we're going to go into the Caucus Theatre briefing. Now you can also get this information from the ATIS in-game if you prefer. So what we do is scroll down, we wait for this to load in fully. And we're going to hit weather at the bottom. So here we see it says weather. And then we're going to take this information. So I'm just going to write this down and I'll continue this recording when I've finished writing it down. So I now have my information written down and I'm going to import this into CombatFlite. So to do this, I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to go to Mission. So we're going to go into Mission, we're going to click Weather. Now we don't know the winds at altitude, but that is not to worry. Actually we do, it's in the briefing, so we'll write that down. Okay, so we're going to go back in weather. I'm going to start at ground level, so 33 feet. The direction is 240 degrees. We're just going to move the slider so that matches as accurately as we can. You can't get it 100% on this program, I'm afraid. You just have to settle with as close as you can. 1 degree error isn't terrible. Next, we're going to go for 240 at 16. And next we're going to go for 280 at 20. So that is close enough. Okay, next we're going to put in the clouds. The clouds are scattered at 040, so you can Google the conversion, but the coverage is 4 octaves. So we're going to put the base at 4000, and you can see it's changing down here. This is what we want to be reading. Put a bit of thickness and coverage in there so it reads. So bring that up slightly. There's 4000, and we've got fuse. We want to bring the coverage up a little bit. There we go. We've got scattered, and the thickness isn't normally determined, but in DCS it's typically around 1000 feet. So that will do us there. So we've got no fog, we've got visibility of 10 kilometers or more, or 5 stack sheet miles or more, and you can see that measure down there. Turbulence is not specified, and the QNH is 1013, so exactly the same there, and the temperature is 13 degrees C, so we'll just bring that down slightly. You can save that as a PNG as a reminder if you like, but we're just going to close that down now. What that is going to do is when we go to plan our waypoints, is it's going to help us automatically calculate things such as time, drift, so on. Not terribly important for fighters such as perhaps the F-18, the F-16, the AV-8B, they will do that automatically. However, for aircraft such as the Mustang, the Yak-52, so on, the Huey, it is quite important because they don't calculate that on their own. And that concludes this video.